Hello, good afternoon. My name is Lance Liam, and welcome to the City Ancients of Ephesus. Look at the pillar. Ayan. Ang ganda po. Take a look at that. Ayan po ang ating ancient city of Ephesus. Take a look at that. Ayan po, ang ganda ng Ephesus. So kung pumunta po kayo dito sa Turkey, make sure isama niyo sa package ng travel tour ninyo yung Ephesus, nasa City of Izmir, and also the House of the Virgin Mary. Tignan niyo yan. Take a look at that. See? It was the 2,000 years ago about this of this city in Ephesus. Diba ang ganda? So, please come and visit Turkey. Ang daming ino-offer ng Turkey, especially sa mga ganitong klaseng ruins. Ayan. How beautiful it is. 2,000 years ago. Look. Tignan niyo yung mga pillars. It's a natural stone. At kinarve nila manually. Diba? Look, the marble. Super ganda. Di ba? Alright, thank you once again. This is Lance Liam. Thank you for watching my content live video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Have a nice day from the City Ancients of Ephesus. This is 2,000 years old.